Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Cat King. This is Anisha here. I hope all of you guys have been doing well and practicing for all the exams, especially SNAP, which is right around the corner, which is up on 19th of December. So all the people who are preparing for SNAP 19th December, please make sure you guys watch this video. In fact, even the ones who are giving in Jan, watch it so that you can build your tempo for the same things and you can prepare for your exam. All right. So let's talk about the D-Day strategy of the exam, what you're going to target and focus on. It's very simple, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks, correct? So we'll look at verbal section, 15 questions, you will allocate yourself 15 minutes of time. In this 15 minutes, the target is to get 10 to 12 questions correct at least. So if I have to get 10 to 12 questions correct, there are two options. Either you attempt all 12 with 100% accuracy, or attempt somewhere around 14 questions with 90% accuracy. Okay. Then we go to quant section, 20 questions. We are going to give ourselves 20 minutes of time. Target is to get 15 to 16 questions correct in this 20 minutes of time. Next, LR section, give yourself 25 minutes. Target in that 25 minutes to get 18 to 20 questions correct. Okay. How are you going to attempt your sections? Try this out in your mocks. It will help you guys from now itself. People who are giving on 19th December, you all should be at least giving दो mock दे दो अभी और, because time management is the only thing for SNAP. Paper का level बहुत easy है. It's only about you maximizing your attempts, right? So give mock tests. Start with verbal section, then do LR, then do quants. If you're not able to score in this, try another approach, which is start with LR, then do verbal, then do quants. Let's see where you are able to score more, then make that as your exam D-Day strategy. Okay? I know a lot of people have been asking me that, ma'am, I'm stuck, I'm not able to increase my scores. See, if you're stuck, you're not increasing your scores, then only giving mocks will not help us. We will have to brush up our concepts, we will have to practice more. So put in some extra hours right now while working, burn the midnight oil, and finish solving the following 5 ebooks from the Cat King's dashboard. LOD 1 books में से कर लेना. Grammar का एक book है. Finish solving that completely. Idioms and phrases का book है. Finish that up. Logical reasoning में you have number series and word series questions. Finish that book. Watch the concept builder videos also so that you can understand how to approach these kind of series based questions. Same goes for your grammar based questions. Quants में arithmetic, the entire module. So that's not one book, it's the entire module which needs to be done. So at least watch the videos and solve the 20 solved examples. जब solved examples को read भी करते जाओगे ना तो तुम्हारे basic concepts clear होते जाएंगे. Fifth is my critical reasoning. ये 5 topics को आप क्या करना है? You will watch the concept builder videos of these 5 topics. 1.5x पे करके सुन लो so that you are able to fast grasp it out. Then see the solved examples of each of these books and at least 10 questions solved from each of them so that you're able to apply what you have studied and learned more. All right. For those of you guys who are really keen on making it to Symbiosis, we have this 2-day SNAP boot camp, which is there tonight and tomorrow, 7 to 10 p.m. Check that out. The link in the description. Don't skip it up. And with those, you will get in the boot camp. You get the mocks and ebooks also as a part of the boot camp. And it's for a noble cause. Whatever is going to be raised in our, whoever people registers for that boot camp, everything is going to be donated to the SOS 100 Santa project for the Sounds of Silence Foundation. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned, and all the best for SNAP and the all upcoming exams.